Hello friends, in this video we intend to go through the steps of opening an account with IC, Markets, Global together. We enter the TradingFinder website, select the review related to Forex brokers, choose the IC Markets, Global broker, and click on the Go to Website option. The page.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
Related to the IC Markets website will open for you, and we click on the Start Trading option in this section, or in this section. We complete the account opening details in this section, and enter the email address that you previously did not use to open an account with this broker, along with a contact number that is accessible to you, and click on the Continue option. In this section, the page related to your personal information will open. In step 3, you need to complete the details related to the selected account type, and in this section, you choose your preferred currency, and click on the Continue option. In the 4th section, you will see a review of the information you entered. If confirmed, click on the Continue option, and in the final step, you select the security questions. And for this option that states you have accepted all the terms and conditions related to this broker, we click on it. And finally, we select the Submit option. Your account has been opened with the IC Markets broker, and an email has been sent to your registered email address to verify your account. To verify your email, we click on this option, and we choose a new password to securely log into the trading cabin. And we confirm the password we entered in the 2nd step and click on the Continue option. And by simply clicking the Login option, we just enter the trading cabin, easily and securely. Your account has been opened with IC Markets Global. In upcoming videos, we will go step by step on how to deposit and verify your account with this broker. Wishing you success and profitability.